Good morning. Welcome to our meeting for the day. Before we start, we ask you to like for the
Maraming Diyos na mapagpalang kapila sa lahat. Maraming salamat ng Diyos sa araw ko ito na ito. Binigyan sa buhay ko ng bawat isa sa akin. Salamat ng Diyos ang ito patuloy na pagbabae at binigyan sa bawat isa. At salamat ng Diyos sa pagpatuloy ko ng ito ay nakaroon po ng credit factors. Ang po sa aking pagbayas, ibigay sa rules. Salamat sa ng bawat isa. Salamat po sa mga block member. Dr. Dr. Tanya, and even Diyos sa mga representative ko, kaya mga ito na perspectives ko namin, salamat ng Diyos sa mga. Pero Diyos, sa pagkakalit ko, ay kayo makahanda ng puso ng bawat sa amin, na kung ano man tanong ko sa amin pag-uusapan, ay magkaroon ng tiwala at kayo po ang gagawin sa amin. Bless you po ang gagawin, bless you po ang bawat isa. Diyos, ito po akong dalagang sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
your life. Maybe may we ask one of our bank secretariat for the roll call of attendance.
Good morning. Roll call of attendance for today's family conference, February 20. Messenger with us are back vice chairman, Engineer Andrew Johnson, back members, Engineer Maria Rodriguez, Engineer Clyde M. Sevilla, Engineer Raul A. Jasper, and back secretariat, Engineer Laurel Ann Sevilla, back to WC, Engineer Mark Joseph Sarita, Engineer John Roland Akigo, Engineer Angelo Silva Jr., Engineer Vincent Guzman, Engineer Marvin R. Salvota, back secretariat, Engineer Michelle Candrario III, Maribel Gregorio, Ma'am Jessica Valsinomo, Marty A. Abreu, Revenue Marquez, Camille Nana, Meridor Bersamira, and Michael Obrado. Representative from the PDS, Engineer Carlo Valdez. And representative from the supplier, from Star Brothers Incorporated, Sir Ian J. Guyao, from Autokid Mobility Solutions Philippines Incorporated, Sir Reynaldo Porter. We have no representative from the COA and the NGOs, and Madam Vice Chairman, we have no.
Good morning, everyone. Since there is a forum, I now proceed the three supply and delivery of one unit service vehicle, pick up for use and deliverable from the service. And
Yung may dali. So, may awam na. Sige. May dali. Ayun, may dali. So, ito.
Vivid of 26 BA E01, supply and delivery of one new dump truck for use in the DPW office. And vivid of 25 EE 0025, basic infrastructure for along and river from Kailindoro, Bangladesh. The survey area.
Hello, good morning. So here, I will present to you the technical specifications of the approved mini dump truck of our The ABC of mini dump truck is 2,750,000. So these are the specifications of our mini dump truck approved by the central office. Model must be latest model. Seating capacity, 3 seaters. Gross vehicle weight in kilogram, which is minimum 9,300 kilogram. Let's go to the engine. Type, direct injection common rail. Displacement in liter, minimum 3.857 liters. Power output, kilowatt per revolution per minute, which is 85 to over 2,800 RPM. For its torque, Newton meter per RPM, 335 by 1,400 to 1,950. For its emission compliance, it must be Euro 4 as per DENR compliance and 4-cylinder with turbo intercooler. For the transmission, it must be 5-speed manual transmission. It is the minimum requirements. Payload volume for cubic meter, minimum requirements, 5 cubic meter. Fuel system, fuel type, diesel, and its capacity it must be 120 liters. For the tires, 8.25 rim 16 or manufacturer's standard, and equipped with one piece spare tire with rim carrier with padlock. Another other accessories of our mini dump truck must be have a AM/FM radio, driver and co-driver seatbelt, air conditioning system, sun visor, side mirror, left and right, close view front mirror, inside rear view mirror. That's all for the technical specifications of the mini dump truck.
For the status of credit reference shall discuss, clarify, and explain, among other things, the eligibility requirements and the technical and financial components of the procurement process, including questions and clarifications raised by prospective bidders before and during the private conference. The private conference shall be held at least 12 calendar days before the deadline for the submission of bids, but not earlier than 7 calendar days from the date of posting of the invitation to bid or bidding documents, and in the case of consulting services, from the determination of the shortlisted consultant. For purpose of clarifying or modifying any provision of the bidding document, bid bulletins may be issued upon the procuring entity's initiative at least 7 calendar days before the deadline for the submission. Any modification to the bidding document shall be identified as urgent. In addition, the checklist for the technical and financial documents for the procurement of goods, which was discussed a while ago, for the technical component envelope, field and certificate of registration, platinum membership, in accordance with section 20 of this IRR, statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract or the SLCD similar to the procurement project except under conditions provided for in sections 52.413 and 52.412 of the IRR within the relevant period as provided in the bidding document. NFCC computation or committed line of credit, statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature, JVA or in the absence of JVA, duly notarized statement from all potential JV partners, bid security, technical specification, which may include production or delivery schedule, manpower requirements or after-sales service or parts, omnibus sworn statement, and latest general information sheet reflecting the beneficial ownership information duly received by the Securities and Exchange Commission for corporations. And for the financial component envelope, bid form, price schedules, and certificate of domestic preference in accordance with the ITD Clause 25, if applicable. there any questions from our prospective bidders for the supply and delivery of our mini dump truck?
Yes, po. Good morning, sir. Yes po, sir. Yes po, sir. Yan po yung lahat po ng represent sa minimum requirements lang na dapat po ma-meet isang supplier. Yes po, sir. Yes po, sir.
How about from there?
Yeah. So, tapos ilan yung set yung video?
One lang po sa akin. Yes po, original lang po. If I will supplemental to set date from the video. At this time, we may proceed to the previous conference of civil work project. We discuss the
So, good morning po sa ating lahat. Today, I will discuss the private conference for the project entitled Basic Infrastructure Program BIP, Rehabilitation of Flood Control along Manuray River, Barangay Mindoro, Bangar, Laon. So, the agenda presentation will be the project details, programs of works, scope of works, and the plans and cross sections of the said project. So, for the project information, it has an appropriation of 13,451,481.21 pesos and a project duration of 134 calendar days with 9 calendar days of number of predetermined unworkable days. For the programs of work, we have here the following pay items. Part 1 for the facilities for the engineer, we have the provision of field office for the engineer rental basis. For other general requirements, we have the project billboard, signboard for both OWA and DBWH. We have also the occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization. Under reinforced concrete, we have structural concrete 3000 PSI Class A 28 weeks, reinforcing steel deformed grade 14, for works and false works. And for the earthwork, we have clearing and grabbing, structure excavation from soil, embankment for both from roadway or structure excavation and from borrow. For pump and slow protections, we have mattresses 0.3 meter by 2.2 meter by 6 meter metallic coated. For structural steel sheet valves, we have furnish and grader. For the scope of works, we have 225.2 linear meter of flood control structure using steel sheet pile 4 meters, and we will also provide mattress for the said length po. So, as you can see, the plans provided po. So, yung color red is yung phase 1 po ng project po namin, which yun po yung matapos na. And then, yung second location, yung shaded ng green na part is yun po yung magagawa na project for this specific project po. So, additional for the scope of works, we've also provided po access route for the site po. And then here is the detail for the dike first location as discussed earlier. And then here is the scope of work of the project po starting from the station 0 plus negative 125.22 station 0 plus 100 po. So here is the typical cross section showing you the items of work that will be done po sa site. And then here is the straight line diagram po. And this is the location of the said project. And that would be all. Any questions?
For the award criterion for this contract is under LCRB, Local Qualification Development Suite. And for the checklist of the technical and financial documents, for the legal documents, college students registration certificate, platinum membership, technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded, if any, whether similar or non-similar in nature related to the contracts to be bid. Statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, similar to the contract to be bid. Special pickup license in case of joint venture. Original copy of bid security. Project requirement, which shall include documentation chart, list of contractors' key personnel, list of contractors' major equipment. Original duly signed omnibus form statement. ISO 9001:2015, if applicable, so hindi po siya applicable for 13 million above na po yun. Sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership. Latest general information sheet reflecting the beneficial ownership information duly received by the SEC. For the financial documents, prospective bidders' computation of the net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC, if applicable, duly signed joint venture agreement. And for the financial component envelope, original duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, original duly signed bid prices in the bill of quantities, duly accomplished detailed estimates form, and the cash flow by quarter. For the major work category, this is under FTSP, flood control construction shore protection, with major work category is FTBPS, flood control construction bank protection structure, and similar work categories are FTXP, flood control construction shore protection, flood control construction slope protection using structural measures, and flood control construction dikes and levees. Please refer to Department Order Number 164, Series of 2025, for other similar categories. And for this contract, subcontracting is not allowed. And the minimum work experience is project manager, one project manager with 5 years of general experience, one project engineer, which is duly DPWH project engineer accredited, and one materials engineer, DPWH materials engineer accredited, one safety officer, and one construction foreman. For the minimum major equipment requirement, 2 dump truck units, 12 cubic yards, 290 HP, 2 backhoes, 0.80 cubic meter, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 payloader, 1 vibratory roller, and 1 vibro hammer. And for the laboratory equipment, please refer to DO 11, series of 2017, of the minimum material testing equipment, and DO 127, series of 2018, strict application of RA 91 and 84 in the conduct of cost qualification. Submission of general information sheet reflecting beneficial ownership information, and sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership. And other documentary requirements to be discussed by Mr. Raven Marquez.
Good morning. For the documents to be submitted by the bidder, bid submission may be done manually or electronically. However, bidder should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for